Hey guys, welcome to another Gauging Gadgets Garmin Vivoactive 4 tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to calibrate the compass on your Vivoactive 4. So following the steps in this video will help make your compass more accurate, and this can help if you ever use the compass on your watch or you're doing something such as navigation, something like that. Alright, so let's get started. The first thing we need to do is simply open up the menu on the watch by holding down the bottom button right here in the bottom right. So hold that down just for a couple seconds. We'll see the menu come up. Go ahead and scroll down until you see the gear. Select the gear. This will open up the settings. Once we're in the settings, we can scroll down until we see sensors. Go ahead and select sensors, and then you'll see compass. Select compass. Now the only option in here is just to start the calibration. So we'll open that up. And as you can see in here, what they want us to do is rotate the watch in a figure 8. So for this, I recommend putting your watch on, and then what you want to do is just kind of move it forward, bring it over, and then put it upside down, and then twist it back. So if you do that, you'll get it to say calibration complete. So I'll just do that again real quick. So I'm going to move the watch forward, twist it so it's upside down, then bring it back and twist it face right up. So keep doing that. And after a couple tries, you'll get calibration complete. So that's how you calibrate the compass on your Vivoactive 4. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more Vivoactive 4 tutorial videos, check the links in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.